The past few years have highlighted the need to improve the quality of air we breathe. To do this, rooms require a greater number of air changes per hour to counter the spread of viruses and bacteria. Basic ventilation usually relies on mechanical HVAC systems, air filtration, or occurs naturally. But these forms of ventilation typically only offer 2 to 3 air changes in a room per hour. To securely disinfect a room and destroy the virus particles within it, a minimum of 6 air changes per hour are recommended. Put simply, if one person in a room is infected, even with basic ventilation in place, virus particles can still spread, putting others at risk of contamination. An open window can lead to noise, pollutants, and drafts coming in, all of which affect occupant comfort. The same is true of mechanical ventilation, which can also be expensive. Cold or warm air escaping or entering means the room needs to be constantly heated or cooled, pushing up energy consumption and costs, which is not good for the bottom line or the environment. The most effective way to deliver an additional layer of protection is to combine ventilation with air disinfection. UVC air disinfection devices offer the most effective way to clean the air of viruses and bacteria, delivering the equivalent of between 10 and 20 air changes per hour. Upper air UVC disinfection can inactivate 99.9% of virus particles in a room in under 10 minutes. As it circulates throughout the room, air will encounter the UVC light near the ceiling, inactivating bacteria and pathogens. The disinfected air circulates back through the lower layers of the room where people congregate. In this way, upper air UVC disinfection ensures a more secure interior environment without sacrificing comfort or incurring high energy costs. Leading institutions from the WHO to the International Well Building Institute recognize the effectiveness of UVC disinfection. Paired with proper ventilation, a Philips upper air UVC disinfection unit is the simple, effective, and cost-efficient way to ensure indoor air quality. Create healthier, greener buildings with air that cares. Philips.